Greetings, dear friend. My name is David McLeod, and I am your life mastery coach and a senior partner at the Wellness Universe. I'm also the author of the book A Life to Die For and one of the co-authors of the best-selling series, The Wellness Universe Guide to Complete Self-Care. Welcome to Life Mastery Soul Memos, my monthly series designed to help you expand and magnify your life, one simple idea at a time. Today, I want to discuss the notion of standard of living, with an intentional focus on how we might work together to improve life for all. Now, when we talk about standard of living, we tend to focus on material things, our incomes, the products we buy, the size and amenities of our homes, the schools our kids attend, and so on. But over the years, I've come to realize that the true standard of living has little to do with stuff and everything to do with the quality of our relationships and social connections. You see, we humans are social creatures to our very core. We yearn for belonging. We thrive when we are seen, heard, and valued by others. And we suffer a lot when we are alone, isolated, or estranged from the tribe. Consider for a moment how much joy and fulfillment you feel when you're surrounded by people you love and who love you in return. Doesn't that warm your heart and uplift your spirit more than any possession ever could? It sure warms my heart. The desire to connect appears to be wired into our biology. Scientific research shows that having meaningful bonds of friendship and community actually enhances our health and extends our lives. On the flip side, chronic loneliness can be as damaging to our bodies as smoking a pack of cigarettes per day. Here's a simple but profound truth, my friend. The circumstances in which we live are entirely the products of our collective beliefs, choices, and actions. If we want to improve our standard of living in a meaningful way, in a way that touches our souls and expands our sense of unconditional love, the change must begin within each of us. I think we need to shift from a mindset of separation, scarcity, and fear to one of unity, abundance, and love. We need to recognize ourselves in others. After all, in truth, we are all siblings in this huge family called humanity. When you look into the eyes of a stranger, see your own eyes looking back. Befriend and lift each other up as if your own lives depend on it, because in many ways they do. There are powerful forces in society that seek to divide us. Old hatreds and prejudices handed down through generations, economic and social policies that concentrate power and resources into fewer and fewer hands, and possibly even beings from other dimensions who don't necessarily share our creative, social, and loving nature. All of these forces can seem daunting. But transformation begins in the human heart and spreads from one person to the next, from community to community. It pays to have faith in the power of love, which has brought down tyrants and oppressors throughout human history. As Martin Luther King Jr. reminds us, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. When we collectively make the shift towards compassion, forgiveness, gratitude, and love, remarkable things begin to happen. Barriers crumble. Doors open where once there were walls. Solutions appear where once there were problems. Acts of kindness and sacrifice become commonplace. Strangers become friends. Rather than just looking out for ourselves, we look out for each other. We begin to live in harmony with nature rather than seeking to dominate it. Moments of profound human connection occur every single day. Improving our standard of living is not rocket science or advanced metaphysics. It simply requires remembering the eternal truth that love is our essential nature. Love is the fabric of the universe and the light within each of our souls. Though we may sometimes lose our way, love can never be destroyed. It can only be hidden or forgotten. When we act from the heart with pure, positive intent, we naturally act for the benefit of all. This does not mean we become passive. After all, love is strong and courageous. But it does mean we stand up for justice and practice compassion, even in the face of hatred. Love overcomes fear. Love neutralizes anger. Love is the most powerful force in the cosmos. Every loving choice ripples out in a wave of beneficial healing that touches lives we may never know or see. But ripples spread, and acts of love synergize and gain momentum, building into a tidal wave that can wash away structures of hate and oppression. If we act from love, our standard of living improves automatically, not just for ourselves, but also for every other being everywhere. So let us open our minds, our hearts, and our arms, my friend. Let us appreciate our connection to everyone under the sun, and let us lift each other up. For when we come together in love and mutual care, life blossoms into its full potential. That is true prosperity. That is how we build the beloved community. If you are looking for articles, videos, and other powerful content that can help you improve your life, please check out my brand new website at Magnifessence.com. This is a powerful membership and personal growth website geared toward helping people to remember the truth of who they really are and to express and experience the fullness of who they are. And for a limited time during this grand opening period, all of my memberships are 50% off. So you won't want to miss out. Please head over to Magnifessence.com right away and check out this really cool new website. I invite you to spread more kindness than seems reasonable. Foster community wherever you find it. Reach out to those who are hurting. Offer your gifts, talents, and resources to make life brighter for all. If we all do these things, these simple things, individually, the rest will unfold according to a wiser plan than any of our limited minds can conceive. Have faith in that, dear friend. What we do for love can never be lost. May you feel the warm embrace of belonging today and always. Until next time, I wish you many heartwarming connections. This is David McLeod signing off for now. I wish you love, light, and blessings on your continuing journey, and I'll see you next time on Life Mastery Soul Memos.